Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And, after today's price movement, not a whole lot to update. Of course, it was the half day with tomorrow being Independence Day. However, I still did want to, just point out the fact that I get it. It wasn't exciting. There was nothing really much that happened. But there was something that happened. And what was that happened? Well, the quote-unquote boring period, happened up here. And not to insult your intelligence, but sure, it wasn't like an exciting day in the sense of the price exploding upwards or downwards or anything like that. It just went sideways. But you look at the last time, the price was doing some consolidating, and you can see that these periods keep getting higher and higher than the previous ones. And that's really the name of the game. As long as these quote-unquote boring periods are higher than previous ones, that implies that, the overall trend is in the bull's favor. Now, I get it. Clay, that was way too sloppy. You're drawing boxes all over the place. What are you even talking about? Well, let's just approach this from a much more logical and kind of straightforward way. And that has to do with the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is just going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So from the big picture point of view, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. No questions asked. So sure, today the price kind of went sideways, didn't really do much, but overall things are still perfectly healthy. The price is up above the purple line as discussed. The price is still up above that 6-cent mark, which is being denoted by that green line there. So yeah, the bulls are still firing on all cylinders. It's just a matter of consolidation right now. And as long as these consolidation periods are, just building and occurring at those, higher levels, that's really what you want to see. From a resistance standpoint, nothing new to update from yesterday. 7 cents is still that key public enemy number one. So yeah, boring day today, but when you step back and look at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the bulls do still have plenty of opportunity to continue to construct that uptrend, and that's the name of the game. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.